Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be delving into the power of Nitric Schedules and how they can revolutionize your reporting, repeated tasks, and batch work. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with managing multiple tasks or in need of automating crucial processes, Nitric Schedules are about to become your secret weapon for success. All right, let's dive into an example to see how Nitric Schedules can be implemented using the Nitric SDK. Whether you run an e-commerce store, a healthcare facility, or any other industry that requires repeated or batch work, Nitric Schedules can be a game changer. For the purpose of this example, let's focus on two industries, e-commerce and healthcare. So here we have a typical Nitric TypeScript project, and under functions I have two handler files, one called e-commerce and one called health. So let's implement our e-commerce schedules for our e-commerce store. In the e-commerce industry, where timely inventory updates and promotional activities are crucial, Nitric Schedules can streamline operations and drive business success. By utilizing Nitric Schedules, you can automate tasks such as inventory updates, order processing, and promotional campaigns. So, with that being said, let's define two important tasks for our e-commerce store. The first one being updating the inventory. So let's start importing the schedules function from the Nitric SDK. We see we have some nice autocomplete here. Let's call it update inventory. So there are two ways to define Nitric Schedules. You can use the every method, which allows simple rate definitions to trigger the callback, or you can use cron for more complex scenarios. So I think updating the inventory is pretty straightforward, and we want to do it every 5 minutes. So I'll just use the every function. And for the sake of this demo, we're just going to do a console log. Okay, and the next schedule that we want to do is sending promotional emails. So let's just copy this, update the name to send promotional emails. And I think we want to send this every Friday at 8 a.m. So that's a little bit more of a complicated schedule. So let's change it to a cron, and I'll go ahead and paste the expression in. So this means 8 a.m. every Friday, and this will help us maximize the email's impact by sending it at the right time. So I think that's a good start to our e-commerce schedules. Let's go ahead and jump to our healthcare schedules. So in the healthcare industry, there are numerous critical tasks that require repeated execution, such as patient appointment reminders, report generation, and data analysis. Nitric Schedules can significantly improve efficiency and accuracy in healthcare operations. So firstly, let's send some appointment reminders. I'm going to go ahead and paste some examples that I've already done off screen. So for the appointment reminders, we will use a cron expression that sends them every weekday at 9 a.m. And for our second schedule, let's generate a daily report. And with this one, we can just use our simple every function with our rate of 1 day. So now by leveraging Nitric Schedules, healthcare providers can automate the process of sending appointment reminders to patients, reducing no-shows, and improving overall patient care. Also, generating daily reports can be scheduled to ensure that vital information is readily available for medical staff, enabling informed decision-making. So we've finished coding our examples. So not only are schedules really easy to code and comprehend, but one of the great benefits of Nitric Schedules is how to easily test and debug your scheduled tasks. You can quickly validate the execution and behavior of your schedules, ensuring they run as expected. If you're interested in learning more about debugging Nitric Schedules and gaining insights into the inner workings, I highly recommend checking out our Debugging Made Easy video on our channel. It provides valuable tips and techniques to streamline your development and debugging process. And that's it for today's video. We've explored how Nitric Schedules can benefit various industries, including e-commerce and healthcare. By automating critical tasks and processes, Nitric Schedules help businesses streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and ultimately achieve better results. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below or join us on Discord. Until next time, harness the power of Nitric Schedules to unlock the true potential of your industry. Take care. I'll catch you in the next video.